Hey guys, I got actually a couple projects y'all might be interested in seeing. I'll try to do a little video and keep you updated on them and see how things goes, but I'll show you what they are. Right here we've got a truck frame, another one to work on. Remember we did one last year. The cross members rusted out of it. It's pretty bad shape from about here back. You can tell it's already broke off. Right there, they was actually pulling a trailer with it, and when that gave way, and right here, these bolts for the hitch, it bolted on up here a little farther, was all that held it on. So they got lucky, it didn't break plumb off. But we'll have to get that thing cut down and replaced, and here's the one I'm still trying to figure out what to do. See how that side is? Look at that side. Broke off. I've got the piece that goes back here. Don't have this piece, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. It's cast, which doesn't make things any easier. What is this, a 3301? L3200. L3200. Yeah, I'll have to just do some thinking and experimenting on that situation. That's gonna be difficult, but we'll catch back with you later. Here's your little update. Got the brackets. This one was broke. We got it welded back on. They still had the piece, so we got it put back. This side I had to make a new piece for it, and got it welded in. Will it last? I don't know, but it's worth trying, I guess. Worth trying. Be ashamed to have to tear that thing down and replace that whole casting, which that's really what it needs, but hopefully this will hold up and last them for a little while. Got the truck tore down a little bit more. We'll be ready to cut the back part of the frame off this evening once the students come over, so probably end up cutting it right in this area somewhere. Go from here back. But just thought I'd show you that real quick. Here's another update on the truck frame progress. We got our splices completed, got the spring hangers on, got one cross member put on. It actually only had one cross member back here. Personally, I kind of feel like it needs something up here, but I don't know whether it kind of would interfere with the exhaust, depending on how I put it. It may not need it. I don't know, probably won't put one in it since it didn't have it. But it'll have a hitch on it and all that. That'll support the back part of the frame. And I think he's got a new bed, not a new bed, but a different bed he's found for it that we're gonna put on, because the bed was really bad shape. But it's coming together. Thought I'd give you a little wrap up on this video where we've been replacing the truck frame. He found him a new bed. The other bed was rotted out. We've got it put on. Got the bumper back on. That's actually an old front bumper off of a GMC school bus. Turned out pretty good. Truck set's good. Bed fit up good. Got him back in business. if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll talk to you later.